want to welcome you to the 2022 Cobalt R33 Outboard, a luxury day boat powered by twin Mercury engines still under factory warranty. Kept indoors and meticulously maintained, this R33 is in pristine condition and ready now for private viewings. With a spacious cockpit, premium finishes, and exceptional performance, it's perfect for both family cruising and entertaining on the water. Contact the Boathouse today to schedule your private tour and experience why the Cobalt R33 Outboard is one of the most sought-after boats on the water.